22 tips for weight loss that actually work. 1. Eat slowly. I have my clients learn how to choose foods they like, really taste each morsel going into their mouths, and chew deliberately. 2. Enjoy the food you eat. Try new fruits and vegetables. Add herbs and spices to elevate flavor. 3. Keep a daily gratitude journal. 4. Batch cook and prep. 5. Don't forget the weights. Make sure you are lifting weights 2 or 3 times a week. When you have more muscle on your body, the food you eat is more likely to be utilized as fuel, rather than be stored as fat. 6. Get enough Z's. A lack of sleep increases your hunger hormone, ghrelin, and decreases your satisfaction hormone, leptin, which can contribute to weight gain. 7. Don't skip meals. Our body knows what foods are higher in energy density, and we will crave those more. Honor your hunger and don't allow your body to think it's being starved. 8. Stay hydrated. Research has found that people who drank 2 glasses of water before a meal lost more weight than people who didn't drink water before meals, and they kept it off. 9. Cut calories, not flavor. 10. Weigh yourself once a week. Same day, same time, same amount of clothing. Remember that your weight isn't a single number but a 5-pound range. Work to move the range down, not the exact number. Lainey Youngkin, Road, a nutrition counselor and consultant in Boston. 11. Reorganize your plate. Make half your plate vegetables, a quarter of your plate whole grains, and a quarter of your plate lean protein. 12. Start where you are and do what you can. 13. Think big, not small. There are a few areas that will give you the most bang for your buck when you're trying to lose weight. Prioritizing those and letting go of all the minutiae that contribute to overwhelm will make reaching your goals feel easier and more sustainable. On the nutrition front, pay attention to calories, protein, and fiber. For exercise, prioritize strength training, daily steps, and recovery. Avant. 14. Look beyond the scale. 15. Give your breakfast a protein boost. Protein is digested slowly and suppresses hunger hormones, helping keep you full. 16. In fact, consume protein at every meal. Protein-rich foods include quinoa, edamame, beans, seeds, nuts, eggs, yogurt, cheese, tofu, lentil pasta, poultry, fish, and meat. 17. Limit high-glycemic carbohydrate foods. When you work with a registered dietitian/nutritionist, we provide individualized ways to help you balance nutrients to prevent spikes in blood sugar, which can help with curbing appetite. 18. Experiment with fruits at dessert time. According to the CDC, only 10% of the US population is meeting their fruit and vegetable intake. Using fruits for dessert will help you meet your daily requirements but also add flavor to your day. 19. Eat breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, and dinner like a pauper. 20. Get into meal planning. I'm such a fan of the concept that I wrote a book about it. Taking 5 to 10 minutes over the weekend to write out a menu for the week ahead will save you time, money, and unwanted calories down the road. Menu planning is a great way to stay organized, and know what groceries you need to buy and what you already have on hand, and it will help ensure a balanced plate. 21. Make a grocery list and stick to it. 22. Take stock of what's in your kitchen. Some staple ingredients I recommend having in your pantry, fridge, and freezer are low-sodium canned beans, canned fish, tomato sauce, whole grain pasta, quinoa, brown rice, low-sodium stock, low-fat plain yogurt, a variety of fresh and frozen fruit and vegetables, olive oil, and dried herbs and spices.